Welcome to Tech Embassy. Today I am going to show how to make a projector at home. For this simple projector, you will require a glass bulb and a cardboard box. Step 1. Take a glass bulb and remove all its parts so you can use the outer glass. Please remove the parts with the help of an adult. Step 2. You can take any kind of cardboard box like shoe box. I have taken a stabilizer box. You should remove these two sides so we can place the bulb inside here. I have removed the first side and I am going to remove the second side. I have removed the two sides. Now we should place the bulb this way and trace the shape of the bulb. I have traced the shape of the bulb. Now let us cut it out. You can do this by a scissor or a blade. Now I have cut this into the bulb shape and we have to fix it. Make sure it is tight so it goes perfectly in. I have adjusted and fixed it perfectly in the stand of the bulb. Now next step is we have to glue. Once you know it's perfect, remove the bulb and use glue gun to glue it. You can use a hard glue gun or a normal feviquick or fevistick to do this. I have glued the bulb outside and inside and make sure it doesn't. Now we should fill the bulb with normal water. So the bulb must be filled with water. That's enough. Next step. Now we should close the bulb with the bottle cap. Before fixing the cap, we should fill the cap with hot glue. Fill the cap with sufficient glue so that water doesn't leak. We have glued the cap. Now fix it. Yes, it is perfect. You remember we cut the side flap of the box. I am going to make a phone stand out of this. Now take one cardboard piece and draw a straight line using another. We should fix one side perpendicular to another on the straight line with the help of a glue gun or fevicol. I have kept few glue drops so that the phone doesn't slide away. We need to adjust some settings in our mobile phone. Phone should be on full brightness and auto rotation mode should be off. Play the video upside down. Place the phone on the phone stand. Place the phone stand in the projector just 1 inch away from the bulb. Close the projector and cover it with a dark sheet so that the light can escape only through the bulb. Finally, our projector is ready to use. Enjoy a theatre experience at home. With a Bluetooth speaker, the sound effects are perfect. A simple projector at lesser than 25 rupees. Yes, the popcorns are ready. Have great fun.